Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll explain whether you can use Disney Plus Group Watch in 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to note that Disney Plus no longer supports the Group Watch feature. Disney removed it in 2023, and there isn't an official way to start a Group Watch session anymore. So if you're looking to watch Disney Plus with friends or family remotely, you'll need to use an alternative. The alternative is an example if you are on Apple. So for Apple users, Disney Plus supports Share Play through FaceTime. Simply start a FaceTime call, then open the Disney Plus app, and then play the movie or show and show the Share Play when prompted. Or choose this Share Play when prompted. Everyone, of course, participating needs a compatible device and an active Disney Plus subscription. If you aren't using Apple devices, you can still watch together by starting the same movie as example at the same time while talking through another app, such as a voice or video call, an example on Discord or something like that. While this isn't as convenient as the group watch, but it's currently the closest official alternative available. Also, if you are a desktop user, there is an option to use, or there is a tool called Teleparty. So you can just go as an example and find it on Google, type Teleparty, and as you can see, you'll be able to watch Disney Plus with it. So you can download and install the Teleparty extension on your web browser, and you can then log into your Disney Plus on your computer and start the movie or show. Of course, then you'll have to click on the Teleparty extension on your browser toolbar and it will generate a party link as it used to be in the group watch. Then all you need to do is just share the link with your friends and they will need their own Disney Plus accounts and the extension installed as well on their PC to join. This works with Disney Plus, YouTube, Netflix, HBO, Hulu, and Amazon. You can just go and get this example. Very simple. So you'll need to install the extension. All of your friends need to install the extension as well, and they will need an active account as well. So that was it for me in this video. I hope it was helpful. If it is, hit that like, subscribe, and watch our next video.